So this is the first video of many to come, and we're going to name it, What Did Honey Buy This Week? My sweet man has been buying stuff from around the States at different thrift stores, and it gets shipped here. And so it's always a surprise to me, and I'm sure our postman loves it. That we get packages all the time. So we thought we would let you in on the fun. I never know what he's going to buy. So we will see today what is in this box.
So part of this phase is where she gets 3 guesses of what's in the box. She can pick up the box and feel how heavy it is. She can shake it and figure out what's in the box. So that's just part of this. That's what this is. So it's obviously heavy. It just did a big old foot. So now, 3 guesses.
It doesn't feel like metal.
So so hold on. I can only say yes or no guesses. So it has to be, is it made of metal? Yes or no. Is it made of wood? Yes or no. Is it explodable? Yes or no.
Fine.
So 3 guesses, start over now.
Is it made of leather?
No.
Is it made of wood?
Nope.
I know it's not metal from the feel. Is it made of metal?
Yes. That's 3 guesses. So now you have to guess what it is.
Okay.
This is the first video, so you'll get better, but now you have to guess something that I bought made of metal.
Okay.
Knowing I love metal.
Can I give you a genre? Like kitchen appliance?
Yes, you can. Yeah,
okay.
And I can say yes or no.
If it's in that genre.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll give you one more guess.
Is it a kitchen appliance?
No. All right.
I guess it is something new that you are going to work on in your forge.
So you think it's something I can melt down and reshape?
Reshape or refurbish, like an axe or a hammer, something in your forge workshop out back.
All right. Well, let's give it a second and we'll open the box. What's in the honey box? Oh, what's in honey's box? Or what's in the box that honey has? Okay.
We are going to find out what is in the box this week. What did my sweet love buy? It is always a surprise. And I'm the woman, and I get no boxes here, and he gets boxes, several boxes every week. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, my. I'm a little nervous. I always get a little nervous. Are we going to save that bubble wrap?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, man. Christmas just doesn't end. It goes all year long.
No.
It's all year. Very exciting. Our postman loves us.
Can you guess now?
A fan! Do I still win a $15 dinner out?
No.
Oh, that is great. That is really, I love it.
It's a 19-something Westinghouse fan. I think 1930s. I'll look at the model number eventually once I get a little bit more.
Let's turn it around and get the back.
It's cool though,
Oh,
right?
that's going to be a great refurbishing project for you. Did they say if it was in working condition?
They didn't test it because the electrical cord is frayed. So
wow.
First thing we can test the electrical and then
is great. Look at that. That is going to be a beauty.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yes.
They don't make stuff like that anymore. Now, now they're all child safe and now you got this big metal blade probably spinning around at high speed.
Right. So, could chop off a finger Just like we rode around in the back seat with no seatbelts on years and years ago.
Bicycles without helmets.
Yeah. Oh, that is great. Well, I love Honey's find this week. Great job, babe.
Yeah.
And
See what comes in the mail next week.
See what comes next week. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.